In today's video, I'm going to show you how to summarize a PDF file using AI. So, first of all, you can see I open notegpt.io. This link I will attach in my video description. When you click, you are redirected to this website. You need to log in with your Gmail. Once you have done it, you need to click on this, and this is AI Note. Then number 4 option, PDF, image and more file. Just click and upload your PDF file. Okay, for example, I upload this PDF file, then I want to summarize this one. You can see it's already summarized. Wow, it's more beautiful. You can see I upload only 2 paragraph, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 line paragraph, but this AI tool create big summarize for me. When you have done everything, you need to click download button, then again download as PDF. That's it. It's easy method.